Try to shoot. Ipinasay Acuna. Acuna na ako play. Good for 2 by number 8.
Hindi mo lang baka nakagaling yung isa.
Ang pangalawa, pumasok. Number 5. Number 5, pass to number 8. Number 8, sinagahan kahit masikip. Baon na baon yan. Kaya pa. Nakuha pa rin. Number 5. 15 to shoot. Acuna. Grabe si Acuna. Good for 2 by number 8. Bitawan. Sa kanya pa rin. Ipinasa kay number 8. Number 8. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. 18 pass to number 5. Pass to Acuna. Pass to number 8. Gandang pasahan nun. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. Number 5 to number 8. Wala. Basket count.
Saan yan?
Sabi mo yung flashlight.
Libre na si number 8. 20 seconds exactly. Good for 2 by number 8. 15 seconds. Wala na tayo siya. Number 5. Ayan, Drapas ulit. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. Number 5, Barredo. Pinasa kay number 8. Acuna. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. Salim. Ayan, natalo na nakuha ni Acuna. Acuna number 8. Pinasa kay Umali. Good for 2 by Umali. Nagwala na. Acuna. 15 to shoot. Acuna pumasok. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. Number 4, Umali. Wala. Number 8, good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. Number 2. 15 to shoot. Good for 2 by number 8. Dahil number 13, Tenorio. Bigay kay number 8, Acuna. Good for 2 by Acuna. 12-4. Now number 22. Good for 2 by number 8, Acuna. Number 8, number 5. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna bigay number 8. Number 8. Number 5. Good for 2 by number 8. Ito pa sa kay Acuna. Foul. Basket count. Foul by number. Nasundutan ni number 8. Acuna. Acuna binigay kay number 4. Kakainin lahat. Good for 2 by number 4. Laba. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. 51 lang yan. Go. Number. Ito pa sa kay number 8. Good for 2 by number 8. Good for 2 by number 8. Number 1. Ay na. Alam ko. Ay na number 8. Good for 2 by number 8. Number 1. Nako pa ni number 8. Number 1, kita patah ke number 22. Kita patah ke number 8. Combination. Good for 2 by number 8. Number 20 seconds. Good for 2 by number 8. Acuna. 58. Nako po, kalabog ang board. Pass break in number 26. Good for 2 by number 26. Upward. Kita patah ke number 8. Good for 2 by number 8.
Nice block. Nice time. Nice time.
Ayan na, umali.